Hello guys and welcome back to another episode of Drum Talk. Today I made some room on this workbench over here, and the workbench you cannot see because it's behind you at the moment. Because we'll need this room for some aluminium parts, I'm going to set up the main part of the DARWIN double pedal, and I thought, okay, let's keep the camera running so you can take a look over my shoulder and see how it's done. I already assembled the slave pedal of this double pedal. It's a black one in direct drive version with the standard longboard, and yeah, now we need the second part. So I won't talk any longer, and yeah, let's hop into it. That's it with the final assembly. To be honest, I skipped some smaller parts like assembling the hoop clamp or cutting some threads because I'm using stainless steel inserts in all the aluminium parts, and it takes a while to get them in, and I always have to switch in between the workbenches. So I hope you don't mind that I didn't show everything, but I got the most important stuff on camera. I hope it still gives you a good impression and you can see what it takes to assemble a full pedal. If you have any questions, like usual, feel free to write me a comment, write me an email, write me on Facebook, on Instagram, wherever you prefer. I'm always happy to get some feedback. Until then, cheers.